Huh? Done? Jump. कुरा त्यही त भयो नि फेरि सर कुरा त्यही त भयो नि फेरि
धनी बेला भन्ने नआएको पनि लस्ट हुन्छ उकालो उकालै छ यो बाटो त
फेरि त्यो पुरानो बाटो त्यो नयाँ बाटो के
भिडियो खिच्दा
देखेँ मैले क्यामेरा पेटाउँदैन
मजाको फोटो खिच्छ कि
छिटो जाउँ
यहाँबाट जानलाई त्यो बिगारेरै जानुपर्छ तर यो फोकसै गर्न सक्दैन मलाई थाहा छ स्योर गऱ्यो
कस्तो त्यो गोली जस्तो खोज्थे
कति दुःख गरेर 5 मिनट लाग्यो
5 मिनट
त्यस्तो ग्रान्डमा
5 मिनट लाग्छ
होइन फोकस गर्नु पर्यो नि ठ्याक्क
त्यो 5 मिनट लाग्छ
5 मिनट त लाग्दैन जस्ट टाइम लाग्छ
So come on, move your butt.
Just look at this mushroom and I think this is going to be very very delicious
For our dinner.
But this may be poisonous, so let it go.
Then put a bag mat. This will be make a nice dinner for us. No doing it. Huh? Okay.
I'm sure man. It's a good idea. यहाँ पनि छ कहाँ जानु यता माथि जाने कि यहाँ माथि जाने
यता माथि
यहाँ माथि पनि जाँदैन
त्यो कस्तो डरलाग्दो ठाउँ छ हैं है
ट्रु वाइल्ड के है
फेरि डरलाग्दो टाइप के
मुखमा पर्दैन खानु पर्ने I think that is also
This is another type of mushroom.
We're having a really nice time walking over this. त्यो डिस्टर्बै भएको छैन नि है रुखमा चाहिँ कसैले पनि डिस्टर्ब गरेको छैन क्या I saw something over here.
Okay.
Some wild creature.
Hey.
It was like squirrel or something.
Huh?
Just went on that wall. Just listen to the sound.
Of silence.
Of birds singing. Calling their mates.
But if you go like down, we'll reach that Panjang, I think.
Straight down?
It was here only Sunday.
Just look at this area.
Wilderness.
Now again there's unique set of mountains over
here. So where are we now?
Now there's no road. We'll just keep on moving. Just be careful if you fall then you're going to be